Welcome back to this channel. This is Potence Up. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this real quick analysis that can make you ton and tons of funds from the market. Stay tuned. I'll be right back.
Become a Profitable Trader Academy.
Alright, so pretty much we are going to be analyzing this particular trend, as you can see right here, and this is actually a beautiful one coming from Euro USD, as you can see right here. So let's quickly get into it. Now, first off, I need to get my boundaries first of all, which is why I have to use this indicator line to be able to demarcate my boundary. Now, for those of you who don't understand what my boundary is actually like a day trader, which I am. It's actually scalping the first 5 minutes candle for the day, and that's actually what I just did now, scalping the first 5 minutes candle for the day. So once that is done, you could see my boundaries there. Then I'm actually waiting to scalp, but then the price action has not really retest that area, and then giving us that full breakout. So what price action is trying to do is that it is trying to form another pattern. So that is why you need to understand what pattern is when it comes to the forex market. Very necessary and important. So as you can see right now, I have to start analyzing the pattern in which predictively it is trying to form. So what I'm trying to do is that I'm anticipating the pattern from the look of things, so that I can be able to place my trade for the day. And this trade actually brought actually gave me about $2,000. So from this analysis, all right, now, so as you can see from an analysis, you've been able to see that I've gotten my entry point here. So I'm actually going to be entering this now in my phone, right? Rather on my phone, and then on my MetaTrader 5. So I've already placed the trade real quick. All right, now, so let's continue and see what the resultant effect of this is going to look like real quick. So just be patient with me as we move. Now, for those of you who don't understand why I had to use more of lines indication or indicator, is because I need to place I need to work on the buy liquidity, and as well as the sell liquidity as well. So if I'm able to get those upper and lower band of liquidity level, then I'll be able to understand where price action is heading towards from in the next few couple of minutes. Are we together now? So from this now, I placed my trade. You can see price is actually giving us a retracement there. It's actually giving us a retracement, but then because I've already understand what price action wants to form, I've already understood what it wants to do. So I don't have any bias within me. I just have to wait for it to keep moving, because I already know what it wants to play out from here. So pretty much if you can understand all of this, it's pretty much simple. Now, if you're tuning in for the first time and you're drawing value from this, do what to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and so you would be notified whenever it is we come your way again with a fresh video for educational purposes. Yes, very important. If you also want to be part of our community, the win-win strategy community, links are right there in the description. You could do it to be part of our community by joining. Now you're going to benefit a whole lot. If you also need one-on-one mentorship, you can also click on the link right there, and we would be attending to you as soon as possible. So right, let's see what this is actually going to play out to be. As you can see, we are already on profit. We're already on profit. So we're still waiting to see what it's going to look like as we keep moving right there. So pretty much it's a very beautiful one to be able to understand where price action is actually taking you to, and stick to it, more especially understanding where to enter. I'm actually going to see I'm going to I'm going to indicate all the necessary entry points level that you could enter from this particular trade. So you'd see how well this analysis is. So pretty much this is very simple. Remember, before you take and before you place your trade, you must understand, or before you begin your entire analysis, you must understand the direction of the market. You must understand where the market is heading towards. If you don't know how to read directions of the market, you could check through the channel. I've done a video on that, and it is actually going to help you for all of you coming in to understand the direct how price action moves in terms of the direction of the market for the day. Very important. So I've done that video real quick, so you could go check through the channel and you'll be seeing that video right there. So pretty much this is that. You can see we are on massive profit so far, so good, right, on my MetaTrader 5. And then this is just pretty much this analysis for you. So as you can see, we're still up. So the reason why I had to give this other upper band here is if price breaks through that particular initial kill zone, then that point becomes the trend continues to be bullish for us. Are we together now? Once price break through this upper bound, yes, of that key zones, the price becomes bullish for us, continues. As you can see, right, it has broken beyond that particular key zone, and the price continues to be bullish for us. So pretty much this is just it. We just need to keep making this money, making this fund, and keep packing out this fund out of the market, as you can see right here. So this is pretty much a model you can always use whenever it is you want to use it. So all of these are my entry points, as you can see right here. This is one of it. Is one entry point. This is another entry point. For those of you who want to really understand what played out and what I did, and that this was the entry point I placed my trade, and as you can see, I'm on massive profit, and at this point I would be closing up the trade. So I'll be closing up my trade. So as you can see, I necessarily don't need to because I'm already anticipating a drawdown. Yes, it might keep going because new price action has been able to give us um, this particular you know direction. It has been able to give us this particular direction. So from my prediction, I'm anticipating that price is going to draw down. So I'm already out of the market now with my $2,000. So pretty much this is just how you get this done real quick to your favor. Always remember to um, ensure a proper risk management. Like I always tell whenever I make videos, always ensure your proper risk management. Your proper risk management is very important when you're taking up your trade and all of that. So I believe this has been able to help in help you so far. Remember, if you're tuning in for the first time, do it to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget that and turn on the notification bell so you would be notified. Very important. Remember, if you want to be part of our community, the links are right at the description. I'll see you in the next one.